What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Entertainment. So, the truth in the Senzo trial is now finally going to be exposed, and this case has remained unsolved after so many years. But the time for the case to be solved is finally going to be coming out. But how is this going to be occurring? This is the main question that everybody has, and the answer to that is Patricia Mashale. Well, what is happening is that Patricia Mashale is finally has a new YouTube account where she is posting all of her evidence. Well, if you do not know Patricia Mashale, she is a whistleblower who has blown the whistle around the Senzo Meyiwa case, and she has been posting for quite some time on her X social media account. So the reason why Patricia Mashale is speaking out and going all the way to open a YouTube account to try and spread the word when it comes to the evidence that she has, it is that she is seeking justice for the Senzo Meyiwa case. And according to her, Patricia Mashale, the people who are in the courtroom, the five accused, they are not involved in the Senzo Meyiwa case. So those are the shocking revelations that she has. And she also talks about police corruption that is involved around this case. And by creating this new YouTube account that she has, Patricia Mashale is promising to be providing more inside information on the Senzo Meyiwa case. So obviously we might be asking our question as to how is this information going to help in the Senzo Meyiwa case, because Patricia Mashale herself is not involved in the courtroom amongst the defense team. The information that she is going to be providing might help the defense team, who might use that information to cross-examine the witnesses like Brigadier Kininda, because obviously the defense team itself, it cannot do all of this alone just by themselves, and they might use a lot of help that comes from Patricia Mashale. So you can see that there's going to be a connection between Patricia Mashale posting her information and that information being used by the defense team. Because the challenge that is there is that Patricia Mashale does not get interviewed by the mainstream media outlets, because it seems like there is some kind of information that she talks about that they do not want it to like make it into the public eye, because from their view, Patricia Mashale's information is just allegations that are not proven at all, and that information has to be like investigated by the Hawks, and it has to be submitted like not publicly, but it has to be submitted like directly to the Hawks without the public knowing about it. So that is the kind of way that the police service want Patricia Mashale to submit her information. But the reason why Patricia Mashale does not want to use that route, it is because she believes that that information is just going to be swept under the carpet and it is not going to be investigated. So by going on public, it helps her to raise awareness around the explosive information that she has. So obviously the media outlets do not want to interview her or hear her thoughts. So by creating these social media accounts like an X account and a YouTube account, this information is going to help her to spread the information that she has around this case. So this is the strategy that Patricia Mashale is like trying to implement so that justice for Senzo Meyiwa can be served. So the shocking truth that Patricia Mashale has from some of the information that she has spoken about herself is that Brigadier Kininda is involved in the cover-up of this trial. That is like the main information that Patricia Mashale has. Patricia Mashale has always been against the investigations that are being brought up by Brigadier Kininda. So what is happening is that Patricia Mashale has pointed out like inconsistencies in the evidence that Brigadier Kininda has presented in past court cases. So Kininda had like presented evidence, but the judge in some of those previous cases then rejected that evidence as having been obtained like not in a legal way. So surprisingly, in those cases, nothing was done to Brigadier Kininda. He went on and got even more promoted and got even higher and higher ranks. Though that's the information that Patricia Mashale has been revealing, and that Kininda got even more and more promoted despite all of these like inconsistencies and like evidence that is already there in public, where Kininda's evidence got thrown outside of the court. So Kininda ended up being promoted and being given to handle this high profile Senzo Meyiwa trial case. And Patricia Mashale is going out of her way like to try and stop Brigadier Kininda from interfering with this trial. So the final thoughts that we have, like the verdict, can Patricia Mashale not like achieve her goals, but what everybody wants is for the truth to be revealed, whether it's coming from the state or from the defense. It doesn't matter. What people want is for the truth to be laid out and for justice to be served. And Patricia Mashale, is she going to achieve her goals? Well, it's just a matter of time, and all we can do is like observe and watch as she continues to be posting on her YouTube account and other social media accounts. So time is going to be the biggest factor here, as all of us will be waiting like for the truth to finally come out. So this is all we have about what is happening around Patricia Mashale. Tell me what you think in the comment section, guys, about all of this, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.